For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Match day 22 for Orlando Pirates. Namhlanje bedlala neTS Galaxy eMbombela Stadium. And the Orlando Pirates have just won by 6-0. Junior, according to
Yeah, all right.
All right.
Yeah, Shane, kunjani my brother?
I'm okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
ngibulise. Justice Shabalala. Ngibulise Benedicto Vilakazi. Nkululeko my brother. Ngibulise ubuzini. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iTiski TV, fighting one, try to fix South African football. I Pirates buyenza umlando Shane fethi South Africa. Yeah, umlando lo singayibalekeli. I mean, this thing is, if you can be honest, I think mele khulunywe ngawo unyaka wonke mfethu yabo. When you win in style, yabo khona ukuthi win ngama goal whereby opposition yenza ama mistakes. But when you outlast opposition, you are better than them. And then mele shayela izandla lonto yabo. TS Galaxy is not an easy team. A team, one of the fittest team in the Betway Premiership. They make it difficult, especially for these big teams. I think the idea of selling a player. I'm talking about the director, Team Sogazi, also players themselves. We're not a game about choosing. But in today's game, they were outclassed. I mean, everything that the Pirates may charge, especially Matekwabo, may be dangerous. One player, some Shailis and I mean, Ilumfano really. Mshaling issue, Mfana on song. And then everybody come to the party. He's very influential. Angithi bathi Mshishi ku Sundowns is so influential.
Yeah.
And then Mfana as a young star, early matured, is very influential in Orlando Pirates, also in South African football. I mean, the boys scored 3 goals. Being expected to lama goal akoro striker today.
Yeah.
Being expected this guy maybe score 2. If we really nginga ukuthi attacker, I mean, Messi come go Barcelona may win Champions League. Mhlambe quarter semi-final group stages score 3. Mhlambe come with David Villa score 2. Being expected this guy Mbutuma is gonna score. Yeah, maybe 1 goal for the confident. He must be worried mangizokora ma midfield this guy because Mreme scored. Who really scored as well, and yeah, Spelebele scored as a wing back, all the way from the back there he scored.
And it's not like he didn't get chances to score. He got chances.
And then not a striker to beat somebody else. Bamveze a receive or afuna ukuthatha decision wrong mamela receive afuna ukusha first time. But ngicela compliment Orlando Pirates fethu. Shane, they were attacking minded. When they breaks, bengathi imvula mfethu. Yeah, Pirates namhlanje my break le team. I think kuna le bola leli kune blind run. I think le bola lidlala urile. And then kwaba I red card. I think the defender the right wing back ibhola wachile lapha beyibheke ibhola forgetting ukuthi there's somebody behind him.
Who's making a run, yeah.
And then le red card leya. I think ishintshe yonke complexion of the game. Sengikhuluma ngeplanning yabo. The week le by planning ukuthi okay, we're going to defend. This is how we're going to stop Orlando Pirates. We're going to play open game, but we're going to monitor certain players. But they are red card change yonke complexion of
and Julia Sodongokata, you think we also red card changes indo, but soon after that red card, Orlando Pirates scored from that incident.
That's why ngisho ngithi le red card phela manje. I end up ekuba goal.
Yes.
Beautiful quality goal mfethu. Ushaya umfana la enhloko. Kulela bonde le height engaka. You understand? And ushaya the tall goalkeeper. I think beautiful set piece. I think umfana lapha ku technique nokuphika nje sport. I think umfana ayi game yakhe lengiyamnika. I think he was the face of this game lo mfana. And after that goal and then this team bathole red card. Bafuna ukudlala open game. Banokakora Banomvelas udlalwe number 10, uNombunjana, bana 3 Phakamani on the left hand side. I think I mean to say on the right hand side. I forgot Zokora. I mean to say Zindonga on the left hand side, and they played with the striker. And now still they want to play open game whereby basadlala ngama wing. I saw the wing forward and then basadlala nga striker. Abuzindonga basahlale wide and also Phakamani Mahlangu basafuna ukudlala i-counter attack. Bane believe good you can wait for the right moment. Now Pirates bese explode the space is behind Umbunjana because Umbunjana was left him alone. Yeah, Umbunjana was alone because ukakora naye bekajoin angithi join imvelasi. You understand, the striker must push. Now he Pirates the spaces behind Umbunjana we must expose and mabas expose mfethu decision making ngikhuluma karile ngoba bekakwazi ukudlala off the ball uye umuntu bekekhosi damage ngoba ukudlala off the ball ku dangerous ukudlula umuntu osebholweni lo mfana lo I want to allow him to have the ball more and then Pirates is going to be dangerous and I think well done I think in goal number 2 Mreme shot corner and waphika spot Mreme mshayile lapho keeper I mean the ball al fast imvula inile but good technique kuthi uphike ne sports but why bangampress lapha you understand but well done to Orlando Pirates I mean team so this is how you punish mawuzodwela umkhulu kubo TX Galaxy you don't talk or your fans they don't talk for you yabo stop ukukhuluma ngomlomo make noise in media just do this Pirates mfethu yabona namhla ibuyenza omunye umlando onsima I mean they play like a South African team the flavor the culture the identity of South African team I mean these players they are highly motivated to be called in the national team I'm sure that's why they play this way and now this thing they've got a belief with the league we can still win it, which is true you understand because they won equal different but it's going to be different now you understand because Sundowns should nabo but drop on my point and then give a goal different Pirates might score 6 they are far you understand and Pirates maqala season I mean kunama team wathola bo 7 hiding I think indlela ukuthi ama supporter as a grounding and I mean coach with TX Galaxy I don't understand why begenza kanjalo to want to play open game tactically you need to be clever as a coach sometimes kune space kuzomela usacrifice you can't do both especially short
la moment Junior after befonela red card wena ubuno advisor mhlambe ngendlela ubone ngayo game ubunodlala ngeyiphi indlela in order mhlambe ukuthi yes you might lose the game but ungalose ngesi score singaka mhlambe ke wenze njani
and then I tell my striker to come and drop la embizini yeah and then ama wing back wethu angena ama wing forward which is uPhakamani na this guy Zondonga come inside let's leave the ball let their defenders have the ball and drop your finish it's simple and then squeeze the ground asinankinga we can sacrifice wide abalibambe wide but urile makalibamba la ku D line and then it's going to be a problem maribona into abayenzile they basahleli wide bavula the spaces lapha kade umbunjane now was exposed bekumbatha also Relebogile Mfokeng
also
Namtetshela 3 one person cause this guy Kokora came and drop waba la ku defense and then becomes a problem the space was exposed now bafuna ukumove ne game and ibhola ngeke ba move speed ba move ne game and it was very difficult and Orlando Pirates mabathi papa I think it was 3 goal number 3 goalkeeper yes mina ngeke ngimblame kakhulu keeper yes I know was sitting sleeping there down but this guy Mbunjana mina ngi-attacker kune session ethi cross ama crosses you just hit it them first time because the box you unless with the quality emangazayo you understand whereby u confident but noma equality sometimes the boxing awuna sikhathi sonke now udlala opposite ipalende la kuse boxing lane ufuna kuba nama touch whereby uba smart uphasa no goalkeeper phela lapho yakora uphasa net akalidlalanga nasenyaweni bengizomplay mu goalkeeper but akadlalanga nakuye straight direct enyaweni uphasa net lapha kora mfana and mfethu I think it was a disaster already 3-0 now Pirates might change nga 3 bet believe good 3 so shasa gonna 50 shy 3 first half but Pirates outclass this team we need to be honest it was like a training session and training session ebukelwa abantu benjengayo ipucu like angeke ngithi training because be entertaining I training session is more akunabantu abasibukele it's basic football master but now it was ichimedlala it's group stages ekasi kudlala ama team athandwa abantu because Pirates people enjoy amagoli Orlando Pirates bokushaya izandla before lizongena ubheke le ball edlala uNomtetshela like diagonal ball sengikhuluma ngale ya pass this boy yo inkunzi pass then a good first touch I think if first touch ngijelile ukuthi the boy uyo decide properly if first touch yakhe grand very determine I mean last touch yakhe and also Relebogile Mfokeng again come on song and ubheki composure le ball edlala uApolis composure kamfana
going there ndaba kaMfokeng during the week coach Hugo Bros when he was announcing his squad he mentioned something ukuthi he even said it boldly ukuthi Mfokeng is not a winger he plays as number 10 and namhlanje he plays as number 10 and he's scored 3 goals uyavumelana naye coach Hugo Bros ukuthi
mina iwing ngiyaziyo iwing number 10 iwing attacking player can play anyway I don't understand ukuthi lo angeka khona ngiyazi that we were not taught that way no mina ngikhuluma ngama attack ngafundisa
dakufa
thank you shame ngabe ngizwisisa a winger can be number 10. Kumele ukwazi cabanga, kumele uyi-star play, kumele wazi ibhola modlala wing. Not to say you're gonna go and cross, run behind the defense, that's all. You need to think kumele ukwazi combine. Sometimes kuzomele ubaleke opponent yakho ungene phakathi. So yeah, attacking player can play wing, can play as number 10. But ukuphendula lento ngishela yona manje ka Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros ubona ingcondo yomfana. I mean, abo number 10 most I'm a player international. We bring players international Serino. We bring Abo Ripero. Abo number 10. Because of these guys, they develop players in Europe at the early age. Baba keep a comfort zone.
When you level.
Yeah, 4 years, 6 years. And it's in a player with Abo Slalis, Abo Spadalis, Abo number 10, but mature solid. Umfana development, teachers jump. No manga bam develop abantu abakrent. You understand? Mature segala abo 27, 28. Sesim Shailis antla number 10. Na kona mambugele. Yes, on the ball is good, but he can play off the ball. We understand. We are raise isandla where it matters most. As it we play these European. So, lo mfana mangabe udlala number 10 kule age acabanga kangaka. Number 10 umdlali kule age. Like ngale ngconda nayo. You understand? Like ingconda nayo. That's why ngisho ngithi yazi khona ukuthi into iphiwe lo mfana, it's a gift. It's a gift. Igift ethusa abantu abaningi shini. Igift izokumanga singadebate ilanga lonke. But igift omunye umuntu uNkulunkulu unokwenza umusa la ufuna ukwenza umusa khona ngaphandle kwe-effort. And then obviously by nature that diamond uthola ukuthi ibe yenye into ethusa. So the boy is gifted. Also he was developed properly. I mele ngibe clarify. So number 10 umfana umshaya kule age yakuyo.
Yeah.
I mean the boy is young. Ubheka thinking yakhe. Shabantu abadala. Omunye umuntu lapha ubonile mfana lo mabalibuyiswa police. Because Shangatoro ran head that drop a diving head and intaining as Bambin Trogo, the poor was composed. And then one receiver was suicided to Saint Helene or Passionate. Nkoriko number 1, Benyoba carried away, and then a shy to plus goalkeepers Bambin Trogo with Senkori. The poor is distinguishing Safunukor. I mean, this boy was a different today, he scored 3 goals. In Toana, they look at the HL, I'm not comparing.
Yeah.
But in Toana, he never get carried away. Una this thing, the way I'm on the Polanga, una this thing with Tamakula matters most. We came and we are born every time, really never keep a pesco pola. He dribbled to pass, he charge one chance to dribble Montgui. We understand, run, A1, because drop or 2, opposition, Mshambatali one touch, and 2 players they are off. So really, the one on the Polanga corner. We found the game with okay, Amakula important. And la, I'm the one that can win the game, and for sure he won the game. Apollo is not much coming on the bench, but when influential, so influential, assist. Not much. He's the best player.
Also should have scored 9.
Yes, it's just that 9. Jobang issue wanted. He didn't take many by phone abo.
Police.
No, them cheated with striker when Butum. We're benching this guy want to score as a winger. You understand? You want to score. So when as a striker, Pella picked him every 6 months. It's a window period open. So it's unfortunate. My striker, ngapu compete and sometimes gonna Reynas, gonna this guy Leo. So he need to score. Made us show because gonna mama came where my midfielders were tight. Because Perez mfethu. It's like man. Abona today I don't falter anything. I mean I'm talking about. Yes, they outlast these guys. These guys they were wet, but man's about cheater, honestly. Yeah, because Parrot they belong by 13, lazy 9. The movement of the ball. Sometimes the movement of the ball move 2 step away. And the well done to the partner Shali's and I mean Fetung Bashali's and Lamatekwa, we Mreme well done to the boy. 9 I'm trying some guy credit and well done to Rebecca fucking honesty. Talent and but evergreen. Young Kumbuza similar like Kumko and Magali made them fun and I made some guy credit with I mean to say believe or would somehow the boy is improved. And this is a consistency. I'm not mistake there. So I'm fetty team yakoshe name the shares and I'm fetty. Plus Bonnie and Stwadlo, I did say dangerous kakule, parrot dress coat any heavy. Not a bonnet. You Ivan's Magakur, so well done, parrots, the one inside. This is what we want to see as South Africans, such a Bulamanga Machima Langalenje. I mean, Ines Sazo, so question us Tinda. Yeah.
Junior, thank you so much. Also gave Adidas some free advertising. Because I was good to launch a Pagati some beautiful stuff as a Bafana. Because I was good to see like a Boxanas tea.
I'm so tired. I wouldn't put money to pop. Yeah.
Bob,
So yakhuleka shame
Bra Bob,
singayenzi
please.
sizoya madala side silungise.
Please, as you can see, but okay, Junior, yazi eKasi zikhona ilingo ezithethwe eKasi like
Yeah,
ezingenayo like i-translation
Yes,
to
yes,
English.
sure.
For example, uthiwe lo mfana unzima lo. Xa u-translate to English, he's heavy. Umuntu angayiva kahle but
Yeah.
likhona elinye igama elidla ngosetshenziswa la majida amanzi la nalo asinayo i-translation yayo but namhlanje siyifumene kuJunior uthi xa kuthiwa umanzi it means you are wet. But ke namhlanje it's Orlando Pirates 6 TS Galaxy 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.